Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make picture background transparent in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Microsoft Word document. Then we want to make picture background transparent. At first, we have to insert a picture in this document. We go to the insert menu and click picture option, or now I create a shape into picture. Click the shapes option and select rectangle shape, then draw a rectangle like picture size. Then we click the shape and go to the format menu, then click format shape, then we select picture or texture fill. Now we can see here many option. We find and click the insert option, then we click the from a file, then we choose picture from our file. Now I choose this picture or another picture, then click insert. Now we can see here we insert a picture, then we create transparency in this picture, high and low. Click this menu and increase the transparency to make transparent background in this picture, or you write this transparency like 400 or 15, etc. Now close the window and we can see here we make picture background transparent very easily. We resize the picture small and high. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.